every year a business goes through a process of planning for this upcoming year. And as part of the business plan, one thing that should be present at all times is to check to make sure that you don't have risks that you don't know you have that are going to negatively impact your ability to 10x your business. So some examples of these things that you should be looking at are, for instance, the property or your facilities. Are there accidents within the property that are waiting to happen? It could be as simple as you come around a particular area, you'll trip over a piece of the machinery, or there's something that's in the cement floor to where you're at that other people could have an accident going around it. So these are all things that are easy to do, but how many times do we really take advantage of looking at those things? We should look at safety concerns. This is the same type of thing, but now if you're on the manufacturing side, you're also looking at your machinery. Are those things safe? Are there things you can build into those machines that will make them safer so that you will have a better record overall in terms of safety? Supplier contracts, you want to look at those to make sure that the supplier is honoring them and that you are honoring them as well. So, and then labor issues are things that you are looking at to see whether you've had a lot of types of labor issues to look at. So these are but a few examples of some risks that you can assess to make sure that you are going to go forward with the least amount of accidents, stress, and you can concentrate on 10xing your growth.